Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's update we'll be looking at the British pound, Japanese yen, and I'm starting off on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, we've broken out of this area of resistance, and that's been going back to earlier in May 2021. And the question is the price going to continue to move to the upside, or should we wait for a pullback in prices? I think given the momentum that's taken place, I'd like to actually just buy the highs here and explain the strategy behind the trading idea. So we're taking a long at the market, British pound, Japanese yen, weekly time frame, taking a long at the market, and the ultimate check sign high here is up at 168. And I'd like to put the stop underneath the recent weekly lows here, just around about 153 even, in fact. So it turns out it's just over a 1-for-1 reward to risk ratio trade. And if we go to the monthly, we can see that here we have the next area of resistance up here at 168. That's our target, and we can quite clearly see that price has broken out from the lows here. And we take it to the daily, it's even more prevalent. You see the extreme move that's taken place, and what we're talking about is that these momentum here, small pullbacks which are likely to take place, but I think we're well clear of this area here. So prepared to buy the high and wait for price to run into the 168 area. Once we actually get going into the trade, what we can also do is with this stop is we can move the stop up, and I would suggest we can get it up to underneath around about here. Once we get some progress up to this type of level, and then once we get that done, try and get the stop loss a little bit higher up to around about this type of level here, and eventually trail us through so that we've got a guaranteed profit at a certain point. Don't take it too close to the price, because the ultimate target of 168 is definitely in target. So that was the trading idea for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.